Y'all already know who it is. Kids, you dig Ball Greezy. Yo, we in these streets, KandyonChrome. MOB, custom, believe that. We here. Y'all see the Yandy. Yes, sir. Jit gonna get you right, you heard me? Just drop the budget and leave the car. And come back and pick it up. Now everything on it. We right there on the bag, man. MOB, come through and get it right, you heard me? Got to have that bag right. Got to have that bag right. Bayday 2 on the way. Bayday 2 on the way. Bayday in the street, feel my pain. 1 and 2 out there, you heard me?
I deserve it all. I deserve it all. Baby, I deserve it all.
It is what it is, man. MLK, man. 7-5 and 26, man. It's going down over here, man. Turned out to be a great day today. Everybody showing love. G-Bodies came. Got the donks coming through. It turned to be a perfect day, man.
2018, man. 2018.
2018, 305. You know how we do it.
Already.
Yeah. Yeah, 305. That's how we do it, man.
Yeah.
You know.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Head to the money. I'm head to the money. Hey, what are you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what are you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what are you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what you doing? My foot on the gate. Hey, what are you doing? My foot on the gate. Hey, what you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what are you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what you doing? My foot on the gate. Hey, what are you doing? My foot on the gate. Hey, what you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what are you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what you doing? I'm mad at money. Hey, what are you doing? I'm mad at money. Hey, what you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what are you doing? My foot on the gate. Hey, what you doing? Hey, what is you doing, little nigga? You hustling backwards. Weak niggas get stepped on. I'm a cheesehead like a packer. Breadwinner, no slacker. She likes up me in traffic. Money coming, that's a habit. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You smoking that baby, huh? Blow bad, middle fingers up. I ain't wishing niggas fuck luck. Pom go bad bitches. Screenshot me them big titties. Cover the bricks in it, that easy. The house thinking like an armpit. Hey, what is you doing? Your diamonds ain't real, they counterfeit. Hey, damn, wow. I'm tight sold like a double knit. Everything fresh peppermint. Sketch me out like a blueprint. I stacked it up, no money spent. Hey, what are you doing? Head to the money. I deserve it all. Yeah. Baby, I deserve it all. Yeah.
Hey, listen here, man. Niggas in Vert ain't gotta watch like this. You heard me? Niggas on TV gotta watch it like this. This is a 41, you heard me? President child. Y'all.
Hey, man, what's up, y'all? This is Murffs Shop, KandyonChrome, man. Hey, I want to invite y'all out to Murffs Lane, man. 75th Street and 25th Avenue. It's going down, man, every Sunday, man. Give a shout out once again to all the G-Bodies came out on MLK Day, man. I want to have a gathering at least every Sunday from 5 to 8. You know what I'm saying? Y'all come out, post up, chill, you know what I'm saying? Show your cars, man, show what you do. You know, it is what it is. Come on out, have fun, man, from 5 to 8 every Sunday, man. Murffs Lane.
Backwards. Weak niggas get stepped on. I'm a cheesehead like a packer. Breadwinner, no slacker. She likes up me in traffic. Money coming, that's a habit. Hey, what are you doing?
KandyonChrome right here, you heard me? Yeah, we know everything. You already know what it is. Fuck you, pay me like Lil Weezy. Fuck 12, got the house thinking like an armpit. Everything fresh peppermint. Sketch me out like a blueprint. I stacked it up, no money spent. Hey, what are you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what are you doing? I'm headed to the money. Hey, what are you doing? The money coming, don't press pole. Take a shot from me 2 times, I'm going 2K18, MLK, y'all. See y'all next year.
Hey, this your boy Manny 2K, man. Shout out to KandyonChrome, my nigga. We got them verts out tonight. We got them verts out today. Them don'ts out today. Everything. Niggas on bikes. Niggas on four-wheelers and all, man. MLK 305 MIA. Best believe it, boy. I'm from Opelika, my nigga. Follow my music on Instagram at Manny_2K. And I'm on Twitter. And I'm on goddamn YouTube. I'm on every goddamn thing. KandyonChrome, boy. We out here. We at the money. I'm head to the money. My foot on the gas. My foot on the gas. Hey, let's get it.
Come on over the bridge. Over the bridge to the hood to get told. When we get out, we got bad bitches, we got sessions you could blow. You know what I'm talking about? We got everything what you need in the hood, dog. It's all good. Stop being scared to come over the bridge.